Hey Job Pro customers! Today we're going to show you how to use the global search and specific search bars in Job Pro and the situations that will make one more useful than the other. When you log into Job Pro, you'll notice the search bar at the top of the page. We call this the global search bar as it will search the entire system. The thing to note about this search is that your results will return everything within your organization that matches with your search term. For example, if you enter in a job name in the global search, it will return not only that job, but any bid, datasheet, company, contact, and/or purchase order that matches the phrase entered. You will see the first column in your search results indicates what type of data was retrieved. The search dropdown is used when you're looking for something a little more specific. Notice that with the search dropdown, you have a variety of options to choose from. The important thing to remember about these searches is that they are siloed, meaning that if you are searching for an invoice, the search will only return invoices that match the search criteria entered. The same goes for any other specific search you conduct. So remember, if you're looking for all applicable search returns for, say, a job name, i.e. associated bids, data sheets, contacts, etc., use the global search. If you're looking for a specific item like a purchase order, use the search dropdown to perform a more advanced search. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Job Pro support team today. You can call us at 704-584-4019, submit a ticket through our new support portal, or email us at support@jobprotech.com.